funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey One Smart Fros, it's me, GINAMARIE, and this video is a little different. If you can tell the quality, I'm actually filming it on my iPhone. And so I wanted to do this thing on my channel where I pretty much vlog my wash day. And I want to call it like wash day vlogs or something like that. I use a lot of products, but typically I only share those products with you when I do a washing style. And sometimes some of you guys wonder, do I even pick these products back up, or do I ever go back to my old faithfuls? And I do. And so I thought, instead of like doing a whole washing style, because sometimes I do use different products when I'm washing, deep conditioning style, and I don't use the same line. So I felt like I should, like, if I do a wash day vlog, I can kind of share with you guys the products that I'm using, but it won't necessarily be like a washing style or anything, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So this wash day vlog is actually going to be me prepping my hair, because I think I'm about to go into some braids. It is like September 7th, and my goal is to make it through the month of September before I take them out, because October 8th is my year, will be my 4th year completely natural. So I'm hoping to take them out, and then the week of October pretty much make sure my hair is in good condition to actually straighten it. If it's not, then I'll just do it like a week later. Not that big of a deal. But yeah, so what I am about to do is, my hair is in an old puff, and I'm about to wash my hair, and then I'm going to, probably can't see me, and then I'm going to start prepping my hair, basically for me to actually braid my hair. So I stopped at the beauty supply store first, and I picked up some braiding hair. I tried to do something different, and so it's like an ombre braided hair. So it's black at the top and a little brown at the bottom. It's not too brown at the bottom, so you probably won't even be able to see it unless it's in the light, because I didn't want it to be like crazy. And then I got some of these. I might put a few clips and stuff of me actually braiding my hair, but I haven't decided. I do have a full video on how I braid my hair. I just do it that way, but I am going to do the rubber band method, because I was listening to Beauty Can Braid, and she was saying the good thing about the rubber band method is you can flip your hair any kind of way, and it doesn't hurt as much as well when you grip it. When you grip your hair, you know, the braids need to kind of fall how you gripped your hair, and when you like toss it, it kind of hurts because you're moving that tension to another side, so it kind of hurt. But I'm using the same brand I always use, the Expressions brand. Haven't decided which products I'm going to actually use to wash my hair, but I know I want them to be moisturizing products. So for my shampoo, I'm probably going to use the Adwoa Beauty shampoo. I really like that shampoo. If I don't use that shampoo, I'm thinking of just going ahead and finishing the rest of this. I'm probably just gonna knock the rest of this out. It's pretty much empty, and this is a very moisturizing shampoo. Deep conditioner is where I'm at a dilemma for my deep conditioners. Guys, I use so many good deep conditioners. I know I want my deep conditioner to be moisturizing, but I know I want it to have like a little strength in them. And so I am trying to think between, I'm going to go get the other third product. Okay. So I have Adwoa Beauty. I have a little bit left of their deep conditioner. I have another one, so I'm probably going to knock this one out and use it. So I'm thinking using the Adwoa Beauty Deep Conditioner, because it has a wheat protein in it, but it's still very moisturizing, or the Soul Tanical Curl Elastic Deep Conditioner Treatment, and then, or the Honey and Sage. Probably won't use this one just because I haven't opened it yet, and I don't want to open it until I get rid of some of these other deep conditioners. So it's probably more than likely between these two. But I think I'm going to use this one because I feel like this one is a lot more moisturizing, even though it has protein, a little protein in it as well. And I haven't decided what I'm going to use as my moisturizer. So when I'll shampoo my hair and get ready to deep condition it, I will come back and we'll see what I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair. So I just applied my deep conditioner to my head. I end up using the Adwoa Beauty Biomint Deep Conditioner treatment for my deep conditioner. I just really like this deep conditioner. It's like literally my all-time favorite deep conditioner now. And then I went ahead and just used the Main Choice Detangling Hydrating Shampoo to shampoo my hair. Super moisturizing shampoo, but it actually cleans your scalp. So yeah, so that's what I used. I'm probably going to sit under in my deep conditioner for like an hour or two, try to figure out something to eat. And then what I'm probably going to do to moisturize my hair is use the OBI Naturals Curl Moisture Cream, as well as their Sweet Almond Heavy Cream. These products are super moisturizing, and I feel like they will get my hair moisturized throughout the time they'll keep my hair moisturized throughout the time that I am wearing my box braids. Don't know if I'm going to show you guys parting my hair just because I'm filming it myself, but I'll probably show you guys when I'm done parting. I want to do the triangle parts, but I'm not really good at parting my hair, so more the reason why I can't really film it, because I need to be paying attention. But we shall see. So I'll more than likely be back in another clip and we'll go from there. Okay, so I am about to be halfway done with my braids, and this is like the next day towards the night. I have these two front sections and this little part right here. I'm just gonna say, guys, like, I should have never started, but now that I'm halfway through, I can't turn back. But my allergies have gotten the best of me, and I'm so uncomfortable because my nose is stuffed up. I am extremely sleepy because of the allergy medicine I take makes me drowsy, and I didn't really sleep well last night. And now that I'm braiding my hair kind of hurts. And I know a lot of people are gonna be like, you get like crochet braids. I hate the way crochet braids look. Like, I don't care what nobody says. To me, they don't look natural. They're ugly. Even if you braid the front part of your hair, it just doesn't go. To me, I just do not like the look of crochet braids. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. I have a ton of box braid videos. I have a detail how to do box braid video. I have like hairstyles for box braids. I even have like how I got a bald box braids, and then like a medium-sized box braid. So I will link all those videos down below for you guys to check out, because I'm not gonna film myself box braiding my hair. But I'm gonna hopefully knock this little section out, and then I'm probably gonna call it a night and try to sleep, and then finish the rest of my hair in the morning. I did want to say the hair that I'm using, the hair now comes pre-feathered, which is so much better, because I don't do a good job feathering my ends. So the fact that they come amazing. But yeah, so my arm hurts holding this phone, so I'm gonna finish my hair and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so I have finished my box braids, and these are the final results. I just put some Lottie Body edge control on my edges, but I don't even know why I did that, because I'm not going anywhere and it's probably not gonna even last, and just creating buildup for no reason. So yeah, so this is my wash day vlog. If you guys like this video, a video like this, let me know and I'll continue to do them. And yeah, I'll probably only do them when I'm like doing something like different, or like trying products that I haven't revisited in a while or something like that. But let me know if you like these type of videos. If you do, make sure to thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.